Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English 101. I am your host, Bahar. It is wonderful to have you with me for our seventh story. Today, we are going to talk about something we all experience every single day: the weather. Our new story is called A Weather Story. It is part of our Bahar's Life series and is perfect for basic level learners. We will learn many simple but important words to describe the weather, like sunny, rainy, cloudy, hot, and cold. I will read it slowly so you can relax, listen, and remember your own experiences with different types of weather. Let's begin. Today, Bahar is at her window holding a warm cup of tea. She is looking outside and her eyes are wide with happiness. The sky is a beautiful, clear blue without a single cloud. The sun is shining so brightly that the world seems to be glowing. Bahar smiles and thinks, "It is sunny today." The weather is perfect for a long walk in the park or for reading a book on a bench under a tree. Bahar remembers yesterday, and it was a completely different day. Yesterday was Tuesday. The sky was a dark, heavy gray. Big, dark clouds moved slowly across the sky. Then, the first drops of water began to fall. Bahar had to stay inside all day. The rain made a quiet, soft, continuous sound on her window. She felt a little sad, but she liked the cozy feeling of being warm inside while it rained. She thought, "It is rainy outside." Bahar remembers a very cold day in the middle of winter. The temperature was very low. When she woke up, she looked outside and saw that the world was completely white. Soft flakes were falling from the sky like tiny feathers. "It is snowing," she told her friend Maria on the phone. The snow covered the roofs, the branches, and the tops of cars. The world looked magical, like a picture from a storybook. Bahar also remembers a day with a strong wind. She was walking to the market, and suddenly the wind began to blow very hard. The trees were moving a lot, their branches dancing wildly. The wind made a loud whistling sound. "It is windy," she thought, holding her hat tightly. She saw leaves flying in the air, spinning around and around. Sometimes the weather can change fast. Bahar thinks about this morning. There were many clouds in the sky, but no rain. "It is cloudy today," she thought. Later, the clouds moved away, and the sun came out fully, making it a sunny day. Bahar likes to talk about the weather with her family and friends. In the morning, her mother often asks, "What's the weather like, Bahar?" Bahar can answer easily. If it is hot and sunny, she says, "It's sunny and warm." If it is cold and snowy, she says, "It's cold and snowy." If there are clouds, she says, "It's cloudy but no rain." It is a simple question, but very useful for practicing English. Bahar understands that the weather changes every day and every season. Sometimes it is sunny, sometimes rainy, sometimes hot, sometimes cold. But every day is a good day to learn new words. Today, the sun is shining. Tomorrow, maybe it will be raining. But she will be ready to talk about it. Bahar smiles again, finishing her tea. She decides to go for a walk in the park. The fresh, sunny air feels wonderful on her skin. She thinks, yes, it is sunny today. It is a beautiful day to be outside. And that was our story for today, a weather story. I hope you enjoyed learning these new words about the weather. What's the weather like where you are right now? Thank you for joining me on Easy English 101. I am your host, Bahar. Until next time, goodbye.